last unboxing. This is gonna be the third video. I'm gonna do 3 parts. Well, the Blizzard stuff I bought from an employee. All right. So I work at a company, a gaming company. In the Slack channel, one guy, he's a director. He used to be a director at Blizzard. He's like, I got a whole bunch of stuff for sale. One of the darts is still in your car, but he had stuff for sale. I was like, all right. World of Warcraft and the Warcraft stuff took a large, significant amount of my childhood, so I might as well buy decorations for my future home. Thanks, Boo, for moving it. What if I careful with the wire? What are you doing? Are you just gonna hold my camera?
Yeah.
What if I shoot you? Alright. But anyways. So the things he handed out to me was an Overwatch Nerf gun. This is the Diva. He had Torb and Tracer. But I was like, the Diva one looks the coolest. Because it's got her cute little like rabbit things. It's got the Overwatch little darts. Well, this is some of the stuff I got from them. So you know how streamers, in the back of streamers, they have that black case with the boxes and shells? I want to put my stuff in there in the future, or in my garage, or whatever. Here we have little Lich King, cute little chibi dolls. I don't know what they're, but yeah, here's like a cartoon Lich King. Here's like an orc looking one, I don't know, but yeah, Arthas. The Lich King, Frostmournes. I don't know if I need 3, honestly. Because they're all the same guy. This is what I'm proud of. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna frame it, and I'm gonna put it in our bedroom, in our future bedroom. Hopefully you approve of it. If not in my bedroom, it'll be in the garage or some part in the living room, or just somewhere where my friends and I can look at it and enjoy. I must be very careful. I must be super careful. I'm gonna sit down for this. Slow and steady. Alright, we got it. Alright, you ready to see what I got?
Let's see it.
This is his description was a lot better, but basically it is a classic WoW, very nice poster.
That is not going in the bedroom.
Why not? But look. It has the signature of all the original dev team for World of Warcraft. All the signatures of the original gamers. They're the original OGs. Everyone loves World of Warcraft, the olden days. That's why I was like, there was a BC one, but it had no signature, so I was like, I don't care. This one has all the signatures. And then the Chinese one had all the signatures, that's Chinese, so I didn't care about that. Like, come on, I see Gloria Z, Samwise, we got Jacobs, T Park, Gary Plather, Aaron Chan, we got Amy something with a B is the last name. You got all the signatures, this is OG.
So how much was this poster?
Don't worry about it. We got adult money and we got, don't worry about it. This is what happens when adults have money.
Brian?
Yeah.
Was it over 100?
No. You're like, oh, not that bad, right?
No.
This is next one. That's So yeah, hold up. Trying to put this back. So this will be framed and hanged in our future home, by the way. It's gonna hang somewhere. It may not be actually. Where would it hang? I think the living room's fine. But then when you have your parents or guests over, they'll be like, "What is that?"
Oh no.
All right. So World of Warcraft classic poster and the WoW Dev Team signatures. That's sentimental. This one, whew, I got batteries in case it don't work.
Why does it need batteries? You said it was a man bag.
It's basically like a man bag, but it has batteries. All right, so this one is I think from, oh yeah, so that's always from like early 2000, I don't know, before 2004, 2010, I don't know, classic, it was so long ago and I don't know. All right, so this one I think he said is from like the 2015 BlizzCon, or I don't remember. I'll get the description for him from what he wrote on the Slack channels and all that, but this is what I bought. Hearthstone, the keepsake box. I'm pretty sure this is a limited amount because this is number 2000 something, so there's a lot of clones on Etsy, but you'll never have the real thing. This is original packaging with an ID number on the back or something. Oh, and he has the styrofoam in it. Oh, this would be, this is nice. He has the styrofoam, hold up. I put it down here. This is not a toy. The collectible item, the collectible inside is fragile. Please exercise caution when removing it. Hearthstone keepsake. Oh, let me read this real quick.
I've never seen him this excited.
Ages 15 plus. Can I even see it? Hearthstone keepsake box. It's even got the chicken, the rank 20 chicken, or is it 25? I forget. That chicken right there. The details. All right, let's see. Don't want to pinch or ruin the styrofoam. It's so tight in there.
Wow, even the styrofoam has...
Oh yeah. Even the styrofoam says Hearthstone and all the details. Heroes of Warcraft. It has the Blizzard signal or insignia in there. It's got a lot of details in the styrofoam even.
That's not a bag.
It's my man bag. Let's see. Alright, I opened it. Let's see. I'm gonna open it right. Let's see if it works actually real quick. Yeah, these bags. Alright, hold up.
Over there. On the circle.
Oh, alright, hold up. I need to get me a Phillips.
You want me to pause it?
No. I didn't need to change. I just need to flip the switch to on. You see that? It glows. I think I have upside down because the map of Azeroth is on the inside. But yeah, it glows and it makes the Hearthstone music when you open it. All right. Do you think I made it on purchase?
So how much was it?
Don't worry.
So are you supposed to keep
I'm just gonna
stuff in
keep
there?
it. I will. All right. So the reason why this is significant is because one of the first presents my girl gave me, she's right here. Wave your hand in the camera. One of the first gifts she gave me was handmade Hearthstone cards. So that's cool. So it kind of reminded me of that.
Aww.
We haven't ever played it though because it's kind of imbalanced. Some of the power she put on those custom cards because she's not a game designer, but it's under my bed, so I know where it is still. But yeah, All this attention to detail. It looks like it's supposed to be, you know, really rustic and old. But yeah, Hearthstone box. I will keep it on a shelf. I'll put your handmade cards in them. But yeah, one of the first times my girl actually hung out with my friends was at Cavalier's place in San Bruno, and we were all playing Hearthstone because it was like the newest thing, and we all played together, and she kicked some ass with her mage. And I hate fighting mages because of her fucking mirror images and all that. I watched a lot of Amaz, so I played Priest because I also mained a Priest in WoW. But fucking mages and Kevin, ugh, hate mages. They're so OP. Fucking pyroblast and fireballs and all that shit. But yeah, this is an OG Blizzard item. There are copies of it, but none of it I think is extremely in detailed and comes with the IDs and stuff. So I can keep stuff in there. Like this will be my ring box, my wedding ring box. And every time, yeah. But yeah, so I got these two Blizzard items from the dude. I'll turn it off. But yeah, this is what I bought. We drove all the way from San Jose to Richmond, pick it up. I'm gonna see if he has any more freebies next week. I'm going to go to his place to get any more free stuff. I don't care about the Overwatch things, but if it was free, I'm like, might as well get it, you know? Because I played a lot of Overwatch too. I was in the beta and all that. I got pretty high ranks. Played a lot. But I don't really care about the characters too much compared to WoW. You want to feel how heavy and chunky this is?
Are you happy with your purchase?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
So
this is really heavy.
real, yeah. So it's got like all the. You smelling it?
Something smells like chocolate.
It's a box.
Why does the box smell like chocolate?
I don't know. But yeah. So
maybe it's made of chocolate.
Special IDs and stuff on that and on the box, so it's like probably in like who knows. I think Blizzard's good. Activision sucks, so no one cares about WoW anymore. But everyone always likes the olden days. You know, the WoW Classic poster and this box. It's basically my real life NFT. But I don't think I'll ever sell it or whatever because, you know, I'm a nerd and I like my nerd stuff. And I don't have a lot of things to decorate anything. This shirt's like over 10 years old. It's got rips everywhere and I still keep it. I feel like fucking Asmongold. Because I watched this stupid t-shirt tier list video and I'm like, he has some shirts for over 10 years. I can relate. And remember that story you told me about how your mom gave your stuff away and you were really upset? I don't know if she threw my other t-shirt away with all the holes in it.
I don't know. It could have been your mom, could have been my mom, who knows?
All I know is it was a really comfy shirt.
It was the pink one, right? No. It was
the blue one. I think I still have the black one, but yeah, that's the end of this video. Blizzard this is the stuff I bought from the ex-Blizzard guy. Shout out to Seth. Unboxed my new computer, Amazon stuff. Alright, peace.
And that's a wrap.